Did you know that models like Agnes, our Hereford cow, and Betty, our quarter horse, play a vital role in the training and experience for the veterinary students? Hi, I'm Carolyn Cartwright. I'm the manager of the B.J. Hughes Centre for Clinical Learning here at the Western College of Veterinary Medicine. Our students spend a lot of time in this room once they start their 4-year veterinary program. And with the help of our staff, the veterinary students can practice their skills with use of models and other simulation tools that we have at hand. These models let our students have a safe and repeatable practice in a stress-free environment before they go down and work on the live animals such as the cow and the horse. All the student practice that they receive helps them to be prepared for the live animal labs, as well as their 4th-year clinical rotations, which take place here at the WCVM, as well as across Western Canada. Do you want to learn more about studying veterinary medicine? Come join us at our main campus here in Saskatoon at the University of Saskatchewan's Open House at the Western College of Veterinary Medicine.